So look at all these folders first of all. Avant has really good kits. So we got the main folder. We got the atmospheres and effects folder, which is just beautiful. Got buildups. Dang, lots of buildups. MIDI. Gosh, dude, I'm telling you, these. Look at all these song starters. This is amazing. Reggae guitars, you know, simply and beautifully. These are awesome. We're gonna go check out the main folder, look at all the basses. This is gonna be pretty sick, I think. Jeez. This is crazy. Love that. They're all so clean. Oh yeah, I didn't even mention there's serum presets in this, and we're gonna look at those too. I already put them in my preset folder, so. Yes. These are fire. Lots of loops for basses. Okay, let's check the drum loops. These are really good for fills. These are like the best drop fills ever. Gosh. Oh yeah. Dude, like literally I can make a billion songs out of this probably. We're in the future. Clean. Some reverb on that one. Some rides. Yeah. These are clean. Just the perfect amount of verb. Okay, and snares. These are important. These are nice, tight, punchy. Been wanting to make some real Wookiee stuff. There's so much. Atmospheres, exhausts, impacts. Oh my god. Very good risers. Naturally. Casually. Intro loops. Oh my god. Multi-layered intro loops is... Yo, you guys are smart making these skits. This is exactly what we need. So this is the loop, and then it's broken up into these two pieces. Dude, this is insane. Okay, there's a lot in here. There's a lot. There's the demo track. Oh, there's the demo track right there. We can look into that real quick after the yeah, clean sub loops. These are the actual subs. Beautiful. I'll check out a couple presets. So we're gonna go into the Avant Wook Serum bass presets. Looks like we have 1 million. Okay. Just like a little loud rack, you know? A little bit of loudness. Yes, sir. That's clean. Reverb's on. So if you ever wanted to make it dry, you could add your reverb after the loud rack, because our loud racks will be turning up the reverb. So that is a choice that you will be making too. Nice, sounds good. Yeah, this is sick. The quality on these is insane. I mean, I have like a billion ideas already flowing through my head. Gosh. Wow. Bringing out a little bit of subby, a little bit of Subtronic. I'm about to get wooky, wubby, and flubby. Yeah. I want you to recognize that their patches are holding their weight. Very minimal post-processing here. Big sound. This is our sub. This is our bass. Good old compression. Saturation delay, verb, EQ8. You know, the goodies. And then cleanliness. Hope you guys like this, man. Avant's been putting out some super fire kits. I just got to showcase a new Wook pack that they sent me. I'm about to make cool videos with all kinds of Wook sounds, Wook basses, all my Wook flows that I'm going to be coming up with. So stay tuned for that. Otherwise, I'm about to go to Lost Lands right now. I will see you guys there. Meet me at my Renegade set. Meet me at all the different events that I'll be posting on my Instagram and my Discord. Stay updated, and I'll see you guys later. Peace out.